Writing an argument is difficult enough, but how do you teach students how to analyze someone else's argument and determine its strengths and weaknesses? Well, first, let's acknowledge one of the hardest parts of this task for students, and that is to stay focused on the writing purpose. They are not to be including their own personal opinions on the topic or the issue, but rather they are to be evaluating someone else's. Such an analysis would typically revolve around 4 factors, and this is what students should put in their written product. First, they should summarize the author's reasons provided in his argument. In the standards, this is referred to as identify, explain, or trace the author's reasons. So, while simply recapping the author's reasons, determine if they're logical. Do they make sense? Second, students should assess the evidence that the author provided. This thing should be packed with proof. Look at the quantity of evidence provided. Is there a lot of data? Is there sufficient support as the standards read? Or is it a little skimpy? Besides the quantity of evidence, we also want students to look at the quality of that evidence. Is it all numbers, statistics, dates, percentages, ratios? Or are there also some expert quotes and some anecdotal evidence? You see, a stronger argument has a good mixture of different types of data. And here's one more thing when assessing the evidence. We have to look at how current is it. Is the author citing data from 50 years ago? That may not be a big deal if the piece is about something regarding World War II. But what if the topic is current trends in technology? That's going to be something to take note of. So, students should summarize the author's reasons, assess the evidence, and third, they should identify the perspectives presented. You see, persuasive writing is very lopsided. It's very one-sided. All of the sentences provided are about the one side I'm fighting for. But a strong argument is going to acknowledge the opposition. It's going to give some space, literally some sentences, to other viewpoints. So, does this piece represent multiple perspectives? And when the author is referencing other viewpoints, what's his overall tone in language? Is he fair-minded and respectful? Or is he biased, stereotypical, a little sarcastic, even derogatory? A final consideration in such an analysis argument would be to look outside the piece. Take note of any information provided about the author himself. What are his qualifications, his experiences? What's his expertise? You see, any information about the author could make an argument even more credible.